at Hamad International Airport. Finally!
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My pleasure to welcome you on board Qatar Airways Flight QR 1487 to Zanzibar, Tanzania.
Kita mo to.
Morning.
Morning! Ito na nagkaroon ng lipstick. Tapos kami sa immigration and nakuha na namin yung bagahe namin. May dala kaming JB. Malit lang siya na airport. Namiss ka na Ay, taray, may ganun talaga. Parang school sa Pilipinas. Diba?
No, I need to confirm my booking. Like, what is my confirmation number? And you can see it from the confirmation itself. Or, no problem.
So, yun na nga. Nandito na kami sa labas ng airport at hihintay namin yung sundo namin.
Hello.
Sketchy lang kami kay kuya nakabayad.
Alam nila kasi nag-wait kami ng transport from nung kunin nila anong name nyo. Siyempre, pag nakuha nila yung main information.
Tapos sila pala yun, no?
I was wrong. It's okay as
At least,
basta.
Plus yung lugar, nakita nyo naman ang ganda ng araw ngayon. Iba lang yung airport na parang school yung labas. So, kaya pala talaga yung driver namin. 1.5 hour yung drive papuntang hotel namin. Hi guys! Nasa Nongwi Hotel na kami. Romantis. Look at the view! Sobrang ganda.
Iconic pool.
Yung pool, infinity pool ni Nongwi Dreams. And
So I'd like to share to you that we really feel so special here. Like, we're treating us so well. We feel like so VIP here. Few lang daw ang nagpupuntang Filipino here. And it's past 10, but they still let us
Oo,
have
pinabreakfast pa rin nila kami. We'll enjoy our breakfast first. Deluxe view to quite nice. Ano yung pinaka-room? May pag-flower pa.
crystal and
This is the view. And ito yung harap ng infinity pool. Ate Mai, hi! Ang ganda. May naglalaro pa. Jumbo! Nasa Nongwi Beach kami today. Kasi yung kulay ng water.
And then the temperature was like 26 degrees
Oh, hindi siya
Celsius. So,
mainit.
hindi siya
Ang
mainit.
lamig.
And we feel like we're not
Ano, press ko lang. Ulap, napakaganda.
It's 5 p.m. and look at the sky. So enchanting. Like,
Mas enchanting ako.
ganda girl. Oh, look. We just had our freedom. We've learned the one language mo kasi nila, Jumbo. Means hello.
Hello yun. Karoon daw ng Mongolian buffet later. Silang mga nilagay na paintings. Hi! So, nasa hotel kami ngayon. Just chilling after namin maglakad sa We're planning to swim. Kaso, sinarado nila kasi nagpa-buffet. So, bito lang muna kami.
night, meron pala
So, paano na kami siguro for tomorrow kasi mag-chill na lang. Which is okay. It's our second day in Nongwi. Madaming Marami kaming breakfast. Mag-breakfast ngayon. Yung first night namin, it was okay. Nag-chill lang kami sa loob ng hotel. We're planning to go and make some noodles dun sa pupunta kami sa Baraka Aquarium. Cheers! Hindi mo basagin yung baso nila. Plastic. Kahit yung wine glass nila, plastic. Actually, wine plastic? Oras ngayon is alas 12.
need you. Now every other day I've been watching you.
Hi guys, so we're out. We're gonna go to Baraka Aquarium. Init. We're gonna check out kung ano meron din kasi meron silang zoo malapit and walking distance lang siya from our hotel. Wala ba tricycle dito? Ayoko dyan! Ate, mami Bate, can you help us please? Saan tayo magtitino? Tayo magsalita ka. Hi, we're heading somewhere.
Let's go. Come home.
Go to Kilosas Conserve. Kilos. Are you excited?
No, I'm not.
So, nandito kami sa forest. I feel like may katuklaw na ahas sa gilid.
Okay.
Croaky, Karume, and Madame Karume. What's their name?
Feed them. It's addictive. Their name is Rafiki, and they don't bite. Even you can touch them.
Hi. I'm feeding the small antelopes.
Can I get inside? Let's go.
No.
Why no? No, they don't bite that. They are very friendly.
Takot sila sa'yo. They call them bush babies.
Bush babies.
Half bat, half monkey. Hi. Hi. Hello. So what do they
Just
eat?
come to see from here. They eat on fruits like banana, mango. 15 years old, 50 years old, 45 years old.
Oh my god. How old is this one?
50 years old.
Ito pala siya, guys. Hi, turtle. Tortoise. Madami sila.
And this 45 years old.
45 years old. What's their name?
Ninja Michelangelo's.
Pinag-isipan. Punta na kami sa mga monkeys.
Like maybe they're gonna catch me.
No, they don't catch you. That's why I have the Lamberton.
Hey,
Feed them.
ikaw! Ayoko.
No, because if you don't have a food, the monkey they don't come on you.
How many are there?
Yeah, we have the 12 monkeys.
Yeah.
Anyone this? You don't wanna monkey here? You can try.
want.
You can.
You're not gonna jump, right?
Yeah, she.
We're like everywhere.
So cute. My nails shot.
I want a monkey to come on
Okay,
you.
I don't want big monkey.
Okay.
Oh, I know.
Sarap.
Take it one.
Sarap.
Take it one. Okay, so I'll take it.
Maybe they're already full. Adam. Hi, Ayla. Are they dancing?
Mainland, Tanzania. Yeah, from.
Thank you, Kennedy.
Hakuna Matata.
Bye.
Ako na magata.
Eh, sama kami ni Kuya. Hi, Kuya. Nandito na kami sa Turtle Aquarium. Bayad na kami ng 40 mil na shilling. Tingnan natin. Hi, turtles!
Okay na yan.
Huh?
Gusto ko dun sa sa baba.
Hi! Hi! Water turtles! Sila best. Oh my God! Hi!
How many turtles do you have here? 30.
Ayoko bumaba. May mga nagsiswimming dito eh. Sorry. Napunta sa ulo mo. Medyo mahirap siyang kunan kasi yung araw. Pero yan. Sobrang...
Nothing more. Thank you.
Bye, turtles! Medyo dinadevelop just for the tourists. Talagang inaalagaan yung animals. Thank you, Kuya. Binigyan kami ng 2 bucket ng seaweed. Thank you for giving us 2 bucket of seaweed.
Hi!
Nagalakad kami pa uwi kasi 5 minutes, 10 minutes lang naman yung walk.
Hindi ko alam na nangangagat siya. I mean, pwede niya akong kagatin.
Oo, pwede ka niyang kagatin. Pinakagusto kong pinuntahan yung mga monkeys. Nakakatuwa sila, parang ang saya-saya nila.
At least nakakulong sila pero parang wild
Safe,
pa rin.
safe pa rin sila doon. Diba? Pati may chameleon kami nakita. Mag-isa nga lang siya. Tapos yung mga maliliit na antelope, grabe, ang liliit talaga nila. Pero yung mata nila, parang mata ni Tintin. Good night in Zanzibar! Gusto lang namin matulog. Ngayon lang, gusto namin kumain kaso sa hotel namin dito, wala silang buffet ngayon. Wala rin convenience store.
Mas okay kasi sa Pilipinas may 7-Eleven. Pero
Stop.
dito, wala. And this is like a 5-star hotel. Expectation.
This is
were like-
5-star
like
hotel.
that-
Pero
that-
walang
that-
telepono sa loob. Tawag nila dito is beef fillet. And
This is Boston, from Boston, no?
the vibe is really nice. Yung pa music. And halos puro couple dito, guys. Puro walang kailaw-ilaw. Ang view namin is very nice. Day 3. I'm having breakfast. fruits din kami.
Ginny and then Lopungi.
Day 3 in Nangwi, Zanzibar. Pupunta kami ng Jumbo Spice Farm. And also, this is our day, Cheetah's Rock. And here's our driver, brother. What's your name?
Aziz.
Aziz, fighting.
Hello?
Umuulan where we're heading to the east part and we love it. It's like, para kami nasa Pilipinas talaga.
Pakipal tayo ng landscape.
Okay. We're back. Araw na dito. Mukhang umepek yung ano, yung
Panty kong red.
Hindi ko
Hakuna Matata.
which are available in Zanzibar. Two will test the young coconuts, and the 30 will test the fruits.
Okay, best part. The tasting.
Seasoning tropical fruits.
Guys, puno ng nutmeg. So they gave us collective.
Collect the things.
This is the seed of a nutmeg.
So you see inside.
So the fruit of that, it's like the ripe one.
What does it look like from inside?
It's like
Red.
seed.
See.
Tawag nila sa aswerte, local lipstick.
What is really the local name of it? I mean the local
Tabi-tabi
name of
po.
The local name is ginger fruit.
it. This is not the ripe one.
Kapakulay ako dito.
It's like a natural color.
Sa tatinganan ko nun. Same. So, mangunguha tayo ng mga bagay-bagay.
Come on here. Have a look. This is a Arabica coffee. And also we have a robusta.
Forever ni Ate Mai.
Mango flowering.
Yellow rambutan.
But the trees are just the same.
The tree.
So, ang dami nilang jacket. Fair.
But in the Philippines, it's kaimito. It's sticky. But
Ah, dagta.
yeah, they're using it for making a chewing gum. Am I?
King of the fruits. Can you imagine why?
It does
They
look
have
like a
crown.
crown.
Do you smoke marijuana?
Is this marijuana?
This one looks like marijuana, but it is not exact. This is an iodine. And this one. So when somebody gets injured, we use this one as a first aid.
Slice her too so that she can have a wound.
In Zanzibar, this is the queen of the spice. Why we call queen?
Because it smells like a fish.
Because every party is beautiful. Okay. Kurkuma.
I think it's like luya.
Colored
Luya
food.
siya, bes.
Yellow.
Instead of eating bread, normal bread, we eat this fruit. It's a bread fruit.
I thought it's like the same one.
Pepper. This is the vine. They grow.
That's part of adobo in the Philippines.
It's for flavoring
Cardamom
coffee. You see there.
Nice.
They produce to their food.
corn. This is corn,
This is the corn, this is the sweet potatoes.
Sweet potatoes. We have a farm in the Philippines.
Tour guide ata to.
Okay, so
Inuunahan niya lagi yung tour guide.
this is tanglad. You're gonna put it in adobo also.
Wala siyang masabi kasi alam niya Ate Mayra lahat.
From Ylang Ylang flower, here we used to get up this perfume. Oh, Chanel number 5. Zanzibar.
Ay, ang bango na to.
Massage.
I don't soak milk this.
Bango, bango.
Incense. Yeah.
Jambo, jambo! No problem! Hey!
My first speaker.
Hello again, you welcome to Zanzibar! Nasema jambo! We jambo bwana! Habari gani?
Let's go.
Turistana, tuni wageni! Hakuna matata! Ambieni wenzenu!
Hakuna Matata.
Njia kupendeza!
Guys.
Hakuna matata! Yenye upendo!
Hakuna Matata. This is new kind of vibe.
Zanzibar yetu! Hakuna matata!
How's it?
Super fresh. Look.
Makikain sa Spice Farm. Kung inawak-hawakan namin kanina ng mga dahon, pati mga dagta-dagta, tapos kakainin kami.
Wow, may corona ka pa, girl.
Ay, nanalo. Thank you very much, Philippines! So, ngayon, kinausap kami nung nag-aalaga sa cheetah. Fortunately, hindi namin sila mamimit.
Kailangan pala namin mag-book.
Online booking ang Cheetah's Rock kasi hindi sila nag-operate everyday. It's because of the animals routine. Okay lang, we understand kasi syempre inalaga nila ng maayos yung mga cheetah. We're here at Double Hilton. But I can't help falling in love. Oh! It's an entrance. Medyo madilim, yes. What? I feel like seeing the dolphins today. We're going to the safari today. Nadanan po namin papuntang safari. We're here now at Safari Blue. Kinuha niya na yung mainit, may araw. Very nice. Hindi na kami ng mga friends namin. Nasa boat na to sila. I'm so sorry, guys.
Yung main cast nandito, hindi pa sila alis.
Sorry, ang aming tour ngayon.
The name of Ireland is Pale.
Pale.
Yes, Pale. Go straight to the island. Glasgow. It's not an always like we say.
We're fucking excited. Yung nasa picture lang namin nakikita, nandito na kami. May dolphins daw. Doon siya, nag-swimming siya. Ganda ng araw, guys.
Ano palang dalawang nasa
Mickey na. Ang ganda ng video. Maraming turista, sobrang dami. Ang daming boats. Now boats. Pero may excited. Hindi ako marunong lumangoy pero let's go. Hindi ko yata kaya na walang life vest. Ang itim ko na agad.
Kain na kami dito sa ano sa ngayon.
Pinagmamalaki.
Actually, famous daw daw yung parang seafood feast.
Lunch. Pa-lunch nila. Ano? Seafood buffet. Kinakain ng pa.
Give me something that I can hold. Someone else wasn't seating me up inside. We run off.
Uwi na kami. So, we're sailing at tinaas nila yung ganyan. Hi. Jumbo. Jumbo. Ayun, wala na kasi pa rin. Guys, so pauwi na kami. It was a really good experience. Relaxing, masaya. Tan lines talaga. Sobrang namumula yung balat ko. Ang ganda.
Ako wala niyan.
Taga dito ka kasi. Lalo nakakita kami ng dolphins. Di ba yun? Madaming turista.
So, the time pagkakamalan kami. Chinese, o kaya naman Indonesian, o kaya basta never Filipino.
Ang alam nila sa Philippines, yung mga movie. Pumunta kami dito sa may mga isda na parang nag-aaral kasi sunod-sunod sila.
Tapos naka-steady lang yung mga isda. As in, nakaganon lang sila. Magkano binayaran natin?
$80 per person plus 40.
$120 only. We're provided by equipments. Meron silang life vest.
Sabi niya lumulubog daw siya. Doon siya lumulubog.
Hindi.
Hulaan niya kung ano to.
Dala namin ng Indian Ocean. Tomorrow, we're scheduled to do the PCR test.
PCR. Nag-coaching ako buong buhay ko. Nagko-coaching ako tapos
Hinahangal.
good morning. It's our 5th day. Gonna do our COVID testing, PCR test. We booked it online. Sabi nung isang local dito, there will be a big party tonight in Cocobello. Happy ng balat ko sobrang happy. And mainit pa rin. Guys, bumili kami ng buko. Ang sarap. Grabe, super fresh. Sante sana! Sila kuya, oh. Bye-bye. Pangit. Hi! So, on our 4th day, PCR test kami. 4th pa lang. Nag-PCR test kami and nag-stay sa room. Para lang naman magamit namin yung room namin. Nabinayaran. And ayun, pupunta kami ng Zalu.
Kadamit kami.
sabi luxurious daw doon. So, magdi-dinner kami, mag-iinom. And then, we'll probably go to another bar after. It's like cutie outfits. Of course, kilikili bags. Wow, ang taas na. Glass pa yung ano, kahit yung bubong is kubo. Glass. Ganda. Ganda dito. There's an infinity way siya. Ay! Uy! Had some
Drinks.
cocktails.
Tapos nakalibre pa kami.
Nilibre nila kami kasi gusto nila kami isama sa Coco Bello. Yung partihan ng mga lokal. But anyway, we're gonna go home because we're already, we already partied enough. So, masaya naman kami. Just gonna go home, guys. Look. Hi, it's our 5th day here in Zanzibar. And na-realize namin na sobrang safe dito. Alam mo yung hindi nakakatakot. Parang sa experience namin, hindi nakakatakot mag-travel. Santa Sala. Hi! So, it's our last day. Naya pa kami pumarty. We're gonna have our lunch. Actually, late lunch or brunch. Look at our fit today. Fit check! Nagpa-massage kami kanina. Sobrang
So
refreshing.
Like, I feel like a new person.
Oh, scrub siya. Ang sarap sa balat. As
Sobrang
in.
sarap.
Parang gusto namin gawin sa isa pag ano. Kasi first time namin eh. Nag-scrub naman ako pero hindi yung ganung buong katawan na sobrang tagal. So, bye guys!